Hi Year 9s, in this video we're looking at the null factor law. Once again I have my son looking at me, so so where are you, Cohen? Here he is. So he's right behind me. He's very interested in what you guys are doing, but that's just a bit of a word of warning in case you get some sort of disruption while I'm recording. But back to the null factor law, and the shout out goes to Jack. So with the null factor law, if we have two things timesing together and they equal 0, then that means that either the first thing equals 0 or the second thing equals 0. And if you think about it, it really makes sense. Like for instance, if I said I've got 5x and it equals 0, then you'd say, well, x would have to be 0, because the only way you can get 0 is by timesing something with 0. So if you've got two things timesing, then one of them, or both of them, would have to be 0. So let's look at this first example here, and it says solve for x and y. And so because these two things are timesing to make 0, we don't know which is 0, but we know that one of them would have to be. So we just write either x equals 0 or y equals 0. And that's all we can say. We can't say any more than that. And that is the essence of the null factor law. Okay? So there's a few questions underneath which are asking you to solve. And so a lot of them will have more than one solution. And you'll have to recognize when that's the case. And that is where I'll leave it.